Today guys, I'm going to show you a simple landing page I have done using ClickFunnels. Here, I'm going to use my online store, Travel Addict. Travel Addict offers different traveling bags like luggage for your trips. So now, here is the landing page I created. I placed the logo here. I have written the details of what my business is offering. We have a promo for a limited time only and you would be able to avail of this promo when you register. Here are the sample of the luggage that we sell. We have different varieties for you to choose from. So now, let's go ahead and sign up. Once we click the sign up button, a pop-up will appear. This will ask for your detail like your name, contact number, and your address. So let's fill it up. I place the name and the phone number and also the address. Here, let us click submit. Once we have submitted the detail, Once we have submitted the detail, a message will show of confirming that we have received your registration and an email will be sent to you regarding the promo. I hope you learned something today. Bye.